Good morning, traders. I'm Michael Sabo, Senior Commodities Broker with RJO Futures here on Tuesday, July 23rd with some opening commentary here in the energy market. So let's kind of get started here. You know, crude prices here a little bit weaker here on the overnight. They were quite a bit weaker here yesterday as well. Right now we've got September oil. We're trading right around 106.75. We're only off about 19 cents, but we were off well over $1 here a little earlier, and we've kind of come back up a little bit. We've got Brent prices actually a little bit firmer on the day, but only up about 20 cents right now, trading around 107.37, right in that area. And you know, I've mentioned this in prior posts here. If you're interested, you want to talk about that spread between the WTI and the Brent, give me a call, shoot me an email. There's really been some great opportunities there. There's also some other opportunities developing here. We've got some substantial backwardation in the market right now, and I'd like to talk to you about that as well. You know, if we take a look at what we've got happening right now here, nat gas, and there's been some great plays there. We're up right now. We're up about 2%, up about 7 cents, trading around 375. And then if you take a look at the complex here, that's got a bit of a firmer tone also. RBOB's just over 303.5. That's up almost 2 cents on the day right now. And the heat's a little bit firmer as well, but only up about 25 ticks, trading here just over 307. So certainly we've got a little bit firmer tone here. I think, you know, you'll take a look at the way the equities market has been here recently. I mean, look at the S&P here. We've been pushing on, making new highs here basically, and it's really kind of helped out a lot of commodities. We've seen kind of a little bit of a risk-on type attitude. But I think one thing to point out that's very important is you take a look at crude prices. Crude prices here over the last several weeks here, since about the third week in June, have really been on a substantial upward move. And if you look at the stockpiles of oil, there's still a lot of oil out there. Now, we have seen a lot of drawdowns here over the last several weeks. When you look at the EIA report, we're going to have one coming out here tomorrow, and they're looking for another draw, but this time around about 2.5 million barrels. So we have seen the stocks come down, but overall, I still think there's plenty of oil out there. Something that I think helped cause oil prices to start pulling back a little bit, we saw some weak U.S. housing data out yesterday, and that kind of gives the idea that we could see, you know, sluggish, maybe slowing demand here possibly for oil as we're coming in here to the second half of the year. You know, and I think when you couple that with the stockpiles that we have, I think you've got a lot of oil out there, and I think it could translate into lower prices. Now, if we shift gears and you look at the technicals of the market, you know, short-term technical indicators are telling me that the market is very overbought up at these levels. And so, you know, although we did push up here just under the 110, and we're kind of backing off now, as I mentioned earlier, trading around that 106.75 area, I think the market might be looking to target around that $100 a barrel area. So give me a call, shoot me an email. I've got some ideas and some strategies on how you could take advantage of that. Or if you're a bull, give me a call. We can talk about designing some positions here and how to take advantage of to the upside. The number there is on the screen, so is my email. Feel free, give me a call. And of course, remember that futures trading does involve a substantial amount of risk, may not be suitable for all traders. Good luck and good trading.